guys, welcome back to the channel Get Placing. Also welcome to the episode number 42 of Leetcode SQL 50 Challenge. In the previous episodes, we have solved a lot of problems and a lot of topics regarding to SQL. So we are in the last topic under SQL 50 Challenge. In that, we are just left with 3 more problems. So in this 42nd episode, we are going to get started with the next problem that we have, that is group sold products by the date. Here, in this Leetcode problem number 1484, we have one table given, that is activity table. It has 2 columns. One is sell date and the product. On which date what are all the products has been sold, separately they have been listed in the table. Now we are supposed to write a solution to find each date the number of different products sold and their names. So here for each and every product separately the date is mentioned. So we are supposed to write a solution to find each date the number of different products sold and their names. So from the table given here, we have product and on which date the product has been sold. So separately multiple items also separately they are being listed. We are supposed to group them and we are supposed to mention them, number of products are sold and what are their names on which particular day. We are supposed to arrange them. Now the sold product name for each date should be sorted lexicographically, which means in the order of alphabetical order. We'll look at an example output, then you will understand it. Return the result table ordered by sell date. In the ascending order of the dates, we are supposed to return the result. Now look at this example. Here we have the activity table. You can see there are 3 days. One is 30th of 5th month, 1st of 6th month and 2nd of 6th month. Again the same dates have been repeated. So we have 3 dates. We have different products that have been sold. So first look at the first date that we have. Because we are supposed to return the result in the order of sell date, we will also look at the first date only, that is 30th of 5th month. 30th of 5th month, headphone has been sold, and 30th of 5th month, baseball has also been sold, and 30th of 5th month, t-shirt is also have been sold. So how many items? 3 items: headphone, basketball and t-shirt. So on 30th of 5th month, 3 items got sold. These are the 3 items. Whenever we are putting these 3 items, we are supposed to put it in the order of alphabetical order, that is lexicographical order. So B followed by H followed by T. Now speaking about date 1 of 6th month, pencil, and day 1 of 6th month, Bible. So there are 2 items. B comes first followed by P, right? Therefore Bible comma pencil. The last day that we have is 2nd of 6th month, that is mask. Again mask. So number of products sold is 1. It's not number of items, it's number of types of products. So only 1 we are supposed to mention, and there is only one thing like mask, so mask will be placed here. So in these 2 cases, we had to arrange them in the lexicographical order. I hope you understand. We have only 2 columns given, sell date and product, but in the output we are supposed to mention sell date, okay, number of types of products sold. Here they clearly mention it's not number of items, it's number of different products sold. That's why here there are 2 masks that have been sold on the date of 2nd of 6th month. But here we are mentioning 1 because it's the different product, not number of items. I hope that point is clear to you right now. I hope this example is clear. Now moving ahead with the code. Here as you can see, we are using subqueries here and here also we are using subquery. So first the idea is to get rid of the duplicate values, because as I said here, mask 2 times it's there, but it doesn't matter to us, right? So all we need is distinct values. Therefore generally whatever we are supposed to print in the output, we will write in the select statement, right? What are the 3 things? Sell date, number of items sold and products. Select, sell date, we'll write some code for the number of sold, and the third column is products. Before coming to the code, we will write from which table we are selecting, right? From the table activities. But what we are writing here, what we are doing here is, we are writing a subquery for mentioning the table name. So basically in this subquery, the idea is to remove the duplicates. So select distinct sell date comma product from activities. So from both these tables, we are removing the duplicate values. For example, here we have duplicate value, mask on 2nd of 6th, mask on 2nd of 6th. Now one of the row will be removed when we run this. So one thing will be removed. So for us, for calculation will become easier. So instead of writing from the entire table, what we are writing from only distinct column names from this table as activities. I hope it's clear. Okay, we have just removed one row, that is the duplicate row. So from we know, let's talk about how are we writing. The cell date column, we are not changing anything. The cell date column will be as it is. And we are supposed to calculate this one and this one, right? For the number of different types of products sold, for this column, how are we calculating is count of cell date as number of underscore sold. So why are we writing cell underscore date instead of mentioning any product? Why? Because we have already made sure that there are no duplicates in the cell date and product. Now whenever we do count of cell underscore date, each occurrence represent distinct product sold on that particular date. That's why we can just count cell underscore date. That gives you the value of number of different items got sold. Now speaking about the products. In the products also, you should remember that it should be mentioned in the lexicographical order, right? So as we already mentioned distinct here, we can just remove it. Same as the original query I've put it here. So we are just taking the distinct product, doing it by order by product. Whenever we use the symbol order by and mention any column name or any object name, it generally does it in the ascending order or lexicographical order. But if you want it in the descending order, you have to make sure you write DESC at the end. Now we want it in the alphabetical order only. Therefore, we'll just put order by comma product. Okay, order by product. Now, the most important thing is what we are doing. We are selecting the product and order by the product. So alphabetical is there. But what are we doing here? We are group contacting, group underscore contact. So basically, whenever we are doing this group contact, everything is grouped by and put it in the same place. So as you can see in this row, we have multiple values: basketball, headphone and t-shirt. Here also we have multiple values: Bible and pencil. To get that multiple values, we are writing group underscore contact. So this is the main code for problem. At the end, we are just grouping by the cell date, just to ensure that each date you get the number of distinct products sold and the names. And also we are ordering by the cell underscore date because has been said that return the result table ordered by cell date. So this is the entire code of today's problem. I hope you understood it, but still if you have any doubts, make sure you comment below. Thank you so much for watching till the end. We are done with the last third problem also. We are just left with two more problems under this challenge Leetcode SQL 50. So if you are excited like me in completing this challenge, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That's it guys. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned for the next upcoming two videos also. We are so close to complete this challenge. Bye bye.